if you can just monitor that for me, please, Mel. Let me know when we're live in there, and then we can make a start for these lovely people this evening.
I'll do a little bit of housekeeping while we're waiting for the live to kick up. Tonight, Terry, as Terry said, he's going to be covering Eurocredits and Eurocredits Plus. Please keep the question on the Multibuy coin. I almost forgot the Multibuy coin. Please keep the questions relevant to the presentation. And if anybody's got any questions throughout the presentation, you're more than welcome to type them into the chat box, and I'll do my very best to answer them. If I don't know the answer, I'll wait until the end and then I'll ask the question live. Or you can raise your hand and Terry will unmute your mic and you can ask away yourself. So I'm just going to check to see if we are live. We are live now. So without further ado, let's get started. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us on this call tonight. We really appreciate your time and commitment. I first came across this gentleman a year ago now, and it quickly became apparent how highly regarded he is within our industry. He has over 11 years' experience of online business, and he hails from the northwest of England. But for the last 6 years, his home is now the sunny Algarve in Portugal. He's a fantastic mentor and friend. He's there for the team and newcomers alike. And he's also our official Multibuy World trainer and spokesperson. So really, there's no better person that can guide us through the wonders that is Multibuy World. So here he is, the magnificent Mr. Terry James.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mel, for that once again fantastic introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Yes, I'm Terry James, calling from the Algarve. It's been nice and sunny today, about 20 degrees. But I'm looking forward to going to Denmark at the weekend. Go meet all you Vikings. I hope you get the wetter better and clear that snow. Please, guys, I don't have a winter wardrobe. Okay, tonight I'm going to show you how you can start smoking and gain some pounds. As a hypnotist, and by the way, I'm normally an international stage hypnotist, but I've taken some time out from that to build the Multibuy business because I'm very proud to be associated. I'm building this business. But as a hypnotist, I still take on private clients. And they say most of the time, many of the times, if there's any hypnotists online, you'll know what I mean. How can I stop smoking? Can you stop me smoking? And can you lose me weight with hypnosis? Well, of course, the answer is yes, but tonight we're twisting it around. I'm going to show you how you can start smoking and gain some pounds and do it for half price. Because tonight I'm going to tell you about Multibuy Coin, Eurocredit, and Eurocredits Plus. But before we continue, I have to give you an income and earnings disclaimer because I will be quoting some potential earnings. To say possible examples for incomes and earnings which are mentioned in this presentation are only examples. Multibuy World and its affiliates do not provide any guarantees in connection with any of the programs, the services, products, or their results. Personal effort and determination, as always, guys, are important to your success, not only with Multibuy, of course, but in life. But obviously tonight with Multibuy World, its products, programs, and services. By the way, I am not a financial advisor. I am not qualified to give financial advice in any way. What I'm doing tonight is I'm giving you an overview of the opportunities being presented by Multibuy and Multibuy World and my thoughts on the subject. The concept is not an investment in any way. It is not an investment offer. We do not use the word investment. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that out of the way, let me introduce you to the owners of Multibuy World in case you are brand new or freshly listening to the audio. The video. These are the owners, two of the owners, by the way. One of them wasn't there at the time. That's me in the middle. There are three owners. The other owner at the time was away in London negotiating some nice hotel deals. But on the left is Dr. Kirby Renori, our Chief Financial Officer, mastermind behind our banking solution systems. The man on the right, the visionary of the company, is Giancarlo Santigli, the CEO. Yes, the business has been around in Italy for 24 years. They currently have over 200,000 active members. You can see that on their website. And not only that, they've got around 1.2 million holders of Eurocredits. That's Eurocredits Classic, which I'll be telling you about in a moment. We have bricks and mortar offices in Rome, London, Barcelona, Belgium, and more coming soon. We are growing, we're going worldwide. This is the company to be with right now. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about overall the business, because not only do we have what I'm going to tell you about tonight, which is Eurocredits Plus and Eurocredits, but just in case you are new, we have many other opportunities for earning a passive income with Multibuy. We have an online advertising platform where you can watch ads and get paid. We have a Wonderland card, which is a Visa now as well as a MasterCard, and that's going out. By the way, the Visa card is being shipped this week. So those people waiting for their Wonderland cards, they're on their way. We've also got a travel site, Multibuy Travel. In fact, Multibuy have specialized in the travel industry for 24 years, but as well as that, an e-commerce platform which has just recently launched as well. And that e-commerce platform ties in with what we call the Multibuy Circuit and Multibuy Point, which is another opportunity I'll talk a little bit more about during this presentation. All our members can also secure an e-money bank account. That's a private bank account that operates as a normal bank account out of Malta. Okay, and guys, let's move on to what we're really focusing on tonight. I'm going to first of all tell you about Eurocredits Classic, the classic version of Eurocredits. We have two types. We have Eurocredits and Eurocredits Plus. The first one, Eurocredits, I call them Classic. They are trademarked to Multibuy. They are a unique 13-year-old customer reward or loyalty point program. What that means is that Multibuy, the company, have put together a customer reward program, very much like you would see if you went shopping to your supermarket and you got offered shopping points on a card from your supermarket or some of the stores that you go in. Well, what Multibuy have done is created a universal customer reward program that can fit into any business or service provider in the world. And they service that customer loyalty reward program known as Eurocredits by providing the businesses with a solution for discounted and free holidays, travel, and e-commerce products. I'll tell you just a little bit more about that in a moment. But the holders of Eurocredits can exchange these Eurocredits, so they get them as shopping points when they walk into one of our circuit stores, those stores and shops and retailers and businesses that have decided to partner with Multibuy. When they do, they can issue Eurocredits to their customers that they bought from Multibuy at a big discount, and then the holders of Eurocredits, these shopping points, can use them for discounted holidays, travel, and shopping. And then people say to me, well, where does the value come from in Eurocredits? Tell me, I want to see where the value is, because we say €1 credit is worth the equivalent of €1, not in cash terms, in exchange for discount terms. The value of the Euro credit comes from the negotiated discounts that the owners of Multibuy have done with retailers, hotels, holiday resorts, and everything that's offered. Multibuy directors and their team negotiate discounts, and those discounts are converted into a value represented by Eurocredits. So I hope that's clear in relation to what Eurocredit Classics are. And remember what they can do. The people who hold them can go onto our travel site or onto our e-commerce site, and they can exchange the value of Eurocredits for holidays, travel, and e-commerce products. So they're able even to get free holidays if they have enough Euro credits, all on the travel website and on the e-commerce website, of course. €1 credit equals €1 in exchange value, exchange for a holiday, travel, or e-commerce product, not cash. And of course, the customer reward program has now gone worldwide. I'm actually building a sales force. If you're interested in approaching businesses in the high street or retailers or businesses anywhere or service providers, if you're interested in making some money and being one of our sales force to go out and tell these businesses about our customer loyalty reward program, and if they adopt it, you get paid a regular income from the business that they do with Multibuy. If you want to join that sales force, then email me. Mel, can you please put my email for multibuytraining@gmail.com? And then if you do, you'll be invited on one of our pre-webinars.
Yes, I'll pop it in the chat box, Terry.
Thank you, Mel. And if you do, you'll be invited on one of our circuit training webinars. Make sure you dress appropriately, of course. And I'll tell you all about Multibuy Circuit. Now, here's the interesting part, because we currently have around 50 to 60 sales force and growing by the day that are currently going out there negotiating and bringing our business, our customer loyalty reward program of Euro credits to businesses in the high streets and beyond all over the world. The idea now is this year, what will happen is that Multibuy World, with the asset building of these businesses joining us in the customer loyalty reward program, Multibuy World will launch their business onto the stock market. Now think about this, guys. We've got more and more people joining our sales force, bringing in cafes, restaurants. We've got hotels joining us nearly every day now. You can go on the app and you can see on the app all the holidays that we've got available. E-commerce products, which are going to be stocked up a lot more on the e-commerce websites. There's loads coming there as well. And we've got these businesses now joining us all over the world. That's increasing the asset base of Multibuy World. That's increasing the value of the company as it launches onto the stock market, and we get a bigger and bigger sales force. By the way, we're only looking for around 250 to 300 people for that sales force, and I've already got between 50 and 60 after a few days. If you're interested, come and join us. So anyway, the assets are going to be building. The company's going to launch on the stock market. And when it does launch onto the stock market, it is with a view to launching our cryptocurrency. Now, you may or may not have heard of what is in the crypto space called an ICO, an initial coin offering. Now, we're not exactly doing an initial coin offering as such, but we are certainly doing something that is equivalent to it. If you haven't heard of ICOs in the crypto space, I suggest you research it, because if you are with the right company at the right time, with the right coin, it will put rockets in your pockets. There are multi-millionaires being made overnight with ICOs, as long as it's the right ICO that you're involved with. There are, of course, many failures and trash coins out there, but we are launching our own cryptocurrency that will, of course, be backed by a company that's on the stock market, that's got a growing asset base with a customer reward program, where the shops are accepting Euro credits, and maybe in the future, even Euro credits plus. Because we are undergoing an revolution of Euro credits. Let me just tell you a little bit about the cryptocurrency economy. It is said by the financial experts that the crypto space, that's the overall cryptocurrency economy, is set to reach $10 trillion in the next 8 years. $10 trillion in the next 8 years. Cryptocurrency is future money. It is not a fad. It is here to stay, whether you like it or hate it, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Right now, it is like the new gold rush. It is the new .com boom. You have an opportunity to be involved at the very beginning and benefit from the potential lift that you will see with a new cryptocurrency entering the market. The Bank of England are set to launch its own cryptocurrency this year. And cryptocurrency multi-millionaires, like I said, are being created almost daily, to the point that just recently, this month, Forbes magazine is now actually doing the Crypto Secret Billionaire Club. There are people who know that cryptocurrency is the future. They get in on the right coin with the right team at the right time. I believe we've got those ingredients here with Eurocredit Plus. Now, let me say right from the start, Eurocredit Plus is not a cryptocurrency. Eurocredits Plus, which you can purchase, are not Euro credits, as we spoke about earlier, Eurocredits Classic, which are used within the customer loyalty reward program. No, Eurocredits Plus are something quite different. You can purchase them, however, they still and always will hold the same value, exchange value, as a Euro credit, where you can use them to get discounted holidays, travel, and shopping. So right now, Euro credits that you can purchase, Eurocredits Plus, are not a cryptocurrency. However, when the company has launched on the stock market, they will transition one for one any Eurocredit Plus coins that you have into the new Multibuy coin cryptocurrency of Multibuy World. That is the plan, guys. This presents you an opportunity to get involved in something huge. Now, I know, because I know crypto, I've been around crypto for a while. In fact, I put one of the very first Bitcoin ATMs into central London about 5 years ago. And people say to me, Terry, where's the white paper, roadmap, coin spec, blockchain technology, wallet technology, market cap? Where is it all? Guys, right now we are Eurocredit Plus. All will be revealed in good time. We have a development team working on these very aspects. This is your opportunity to get in the pre-launch of what will be a cryptocurrency launching onto the market, backed by a stock market company and a team of bankers, which I'm going to tell you about in a moment. Now, let me just tell you a little bit more about cryptocurrency for those people that may be new to it. As of today, there are 1,548 altcoins. Now, when we use the term altcoins, we mean alternative to Bitcoin. If something is not a Bitcoin, it is known under general terms as being an altcoin, an alternative coin. There are 1,548 altcoins listed on the cryptocurrency coin market exchange today, the coin market cap. And all these coins or tokens are being traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. If you are new to this market, go and research cryptocurrency exchanges. You'll be surprised how much is going on. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people are trading all these cryptocurrencies like crazy, 24/7. But the interesting thing is 90% of these coins are essentially trash. They've got nothing behind them. In fact, many of them are completely anonymous, but speculators, investors, whatever you like to call them, they still go into the cryptocurrency exchanges and they buy them, they trade them, they speculate, and it pushes the value up and down. So all these coins, tokens, even if they are trash, even if there's nothing behind them, they're still gaining value and traction in a market driven up and down by the investors. Now, if you've not seen this website before and you are getting into cryptocurrencies, one that's really essential, this is the cryptocurrency market capitalization. Now, this one I took a screenshot in January. And just so you briefly understand it, because the cryptocurrency market is very important. That's why we're going into the crypto space. At this time, when I took this in January, the actual market cap for cryptocurrencies was over $550 billion. And you can see that on the top. That means that in the economy, in the global economy, there is over there was at this time over $550 billion worth of cryptocurrencies. And the market was dominated by Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was 34.4% of that market. So just so that you understand the importance of this website telling you the indicators of where the crypto space and the crypto economy is moving, and it's gaining traction every day. Now, let me just tell you this as well. If you bought just $1,000 of each of these cryptocurrencies, one or all of them, in January 2017, in January 18, now I know that the market has taken a bit of a fall, and there was people phoning me up saying, Terry, the market's crashed, it's gone, it was a fad. Cryptocurrency, it is finished. It's gone, it's crashed, it's gone forever. I knew it was a fad, let's get back to fiat currency. Rubbish. Believe me, the Bank of England would not be producing their own cryptocurrency if cryptocurrency was dead. Very much alive. You're at the very beginning of it. You have an opportunity to benefit and profit from it at this time. Just like mobile phones when they came, just like the internet when that arrived, just like email when people were saying, oh, nobody's going to use email. Who wants that? Look at it now. You can't live without it. So if you'd bought $1,000 worth of each one of these currencies 1 year ago, just over a year ago, January 2017, you would be sitting on that type of profit. Bitcoin, 14 grand. Ethereum, if you'd have bought $1,000 worth in January 2017, in January 2018, last month, you'd have been sitting on nearly $90,000. In fact, it's the same around today. Ripple, you'd have been sitting on $335,000 if you bought just $1,000 worth in January 2017. Litecoin, 50 grand. Dash, nearly 90 grand. But the biggest one there, Neo. If you'd have bought Neo coin in January 2017 for $1,000, you'd be sitting on over $500,000 in January. Guys, it's life-changing money. It is happening. It is not fantasy. There are multimillionaires being created. You've seen it in Forbes magazine. And if you're with the right coin at the right time with the right team, you are set to be making significant gains. Now, yes, markets dictate up and they dictate down, but you take a view on what we've got our hands on here. Because as I've already said, traders in all these cryptocurrency exchanges are speculating on all of these coins, tokens, whether they are trash or not. They don't care. There are professional pump and dump teams out there who professionally pump up a coin and then dump it so they can make money. So there's a lot of things happening in the crypto space. Now, why cryptocurrencies? Why do people do them? Well, they offer a decentralized, that is a free from government currency of exchange for use for peer-to-peer between the people. They normally, but not always, enter it onto a trading platform where they may or may not add market value. So the speculators get hold of them, push them up, and they drive them down. Most of them have a white paper, which is a business plan, a concept. Why is this token coming onto the market? What is it going to do? What's its purpose? So a lot of them develop, not all of them, but a lot of them develop what they call a white paper. And here's something really significant. Most cryptocurrency exchanges do not offer a fiat currency cash out solution, what we would otherwise term as liquidity. Most of them. Some do, but not many. There is not a great deal of opportunity if you're dealing in cryptocurrencies to convert your cryptocurrency, cash it out into cash. You can do it, but it just isn't that easy. So what about Multibuy coin? Now, this is the really interesting part, because imagine this. Imagine a cryptocurrency that launches onto an exchange, which will be its own, by the way. We've got our own being developed, alongside Bitcoin, Litecoin, and several other coins of choice. that it will actually get launched with our banking partners offering liquidity, i.e. a fiat currency cash out solution, and the coin is going to be backed by a 24, 25-year-old company by then maybe, stock market company with a huge asset base of businesses being built around their customer loyalty reward program. All the ingredients are here for a fantastic coin that can, or token that can really go to the moon. As they say in the crypto space, it can be a mooner. And I don't mean dropping your pants and bending over. A mooner is a coin that is expected to go to the moon. That's my view on it. It might not be your view. You take your own view, but I think we've got the ingredients for success. And if you had 10,000 euro credits plus in your hand today, and I know a lot of you have, but you might be brand new here. If you've got 10,000 in euro credits plus, when it launches and transitions into multi-buy coin, because remember today it is not a cryptocurrency today, but when it launches onto the exchange as a cryptocurrency, 1 for 1, if it reaches €1, you'd be looking at 10,000 cash. Money that you can take out via the liquidity platform, trading platform that is being launched. If it reaches €10 in the trading platform, you're sitting on 100 grand. If it reaches €100, you're sitting on $1 million. And believe me, I have seen coins, and maybe you have too, that have launched onto the exchanges and they've gone to 5, 6, 7, 800 euros or dollars, and there's not even that much behind them. Yes, they go up. Yes, they go down. Market forces. But I've seen coins that you would consider trash that have rocketed and gone significantly higher than 100 euros or dollars. So let me just say to you that you have an opportunity to get all the Euro credits plus that will transition into multi-buy coin at the right time with the right company and the right team. What is your risk if you was to buy some Euro credits plus? Now remember, I've already mentioned we've got a team of 50 plus. There will be 300 people soon going around building up the asset base of the customer loyalty reward program that will add very significant value to multi-buy world as it launches on the stock market. So if you bought Euro credits plus today, you're still sitting on the value of those to exchange for holidays, free holidays, discounted travel, and items on the shopping platform, which is going to get more and more as we open more retailers around the world. That means your value that you're holding is still significant on its own if you buy Euro credits plus. But then you've got your Euro credits plus, and let's say you hold them, you hodl them, and you hodl them until the launch of the cryptocurrency. What is the reward? Take a view, guys. I believe it's absolutely incredible and a once in a lifetime opportunity, because you're going to have a coin that transitions with a liquidity fiat currency solution behind it onto a platform supported by our bankers. Yes, you will have to do KYC. Yes, there will be AML. It will be a regulated environment. Of course it will be. But you'll have the opportunity to be involved with a coin supported by a stock market company. Take a view on it. I've seen coins with nothing behind them rocket. You might be holding the right coin at the right time. I believe you are. You take your own view. But it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. And as you may already know, opportunity dances with those that are already on the dance floor. So if you want to get involved right now, today, you can buy them at 20% of the face value. That's 20 cents. You can buy them at 20 cents. And remember, I said to you at the very beginning that tonight you can start smoking and you can gain pounds, because you can be smoking in business on fire with this cryptocurrency potential. You will be smoking and you'll be gaining money. And in the UK, we call it pounds. So you'll be gaining pounds as well, money, and you will be on fire. All you have to do is purchase. some Eurocredits Plus, or find somebody that wants to buy them at this great discounted price of 20%. It is a pre-launch price. It is going to go crazy. I know already who the company is speaking to in relation to getting this launch. I can't disclose anything, but I'm buying, and I know everybody else that knows this is buying like crazy. If you sell 5,000 euro credits, okay, plus for 1,000 euros, most people buy 1,000 euros worth, you would receive, as the seller, the person who found the buyer, 20% commissions. So you're going to get commissions as well on two levels. 20% commission goes to you because you found a buyer of Eurocredits Plus, and your sponsor, who did nothing, gets 5%. Not bad, eh? And the minimum purchase, guys, 250 euros. Now, 250 euros does not buy you 5,000 Eurocredits Plus. No, 1,000 euros buys you 5,000 Eurocredits Plus. So 250 euros will buy you less, but you can get involved with 250 euros. Goodness me. And you can purchase them at 20 cents each, which is 20%. You've got the value that you're holding because you can still use them for discounted holidays and travel and shopping items. Guys, it's time to join the evolution, revolution of the cryptocurrency with crypto Eurocredits Plus. So let me just tell you in summary that Eurocredits Plus will become the multi-buy coin in the future, a stock market company-backed cryptocurrency that will launch with the support of our banking partners, offering a trading platform and fiat currency solution. You should be buying, grabbing, obtaining, and begging Eurocredits Plus in this pre-launch phase. And those that do find people that want to buy it, we're going to give you a holiday. If you manage to do some sales of Eurocredits Plus as our members, we won't fly you, you're going to fly yourself, but you can do that because you would have made so much money by selling it. You can use your commissions for your flight. But the holiday itself, half-board holiday in Sicily for 2 people in a brilliant hotel in the best location. We are told it's really idyllic. You can have that half-board holiday, 7 days, 6 nights for free from the company for the last week in May, first week in June. You can go and meet the mafia over in Sicily, and this incentive runs until the 5th of April. All you have to do is find buyers to the value, the cash value of 20,000 euros of sales by the 5th of April. Now, yes, from the 5th of February, that would mean 2,500 euro sales every week. But I mean, you could do that in 1 day, or you might do that in 1 week. So we only use that as an example. But from today onwards, you sell 20,000 euros of sales in cash value of 20,000 euros, you get the holiday. It's available for the first 100 people that achieve the target. As I've mentioned, flights and transfer is not included, but the money you would have made, your commissions will easily pay for your flight. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you, Forbes magazine is now creating the Billionaire Club from crypto. You have an opportunity to be involved with the right team, right company, right time when this transitions to multi-buy coin cryptocurrency. That is the end of my presentation. I'd like to thank you for listening tonight. And do we have any questions now?
We've got no questions in the chat box, Terry. We're all clear in the chat box.
We're all clear in the chat box. That's good to hear. Just see if anybody's got their hands up. It would appear not.
Wow. I think they must be smoking, Terry.
I think they're smoking and they're gaining pounds.
Definitely.
Okay, so there's nothing for us. Remember, this is our last presentation now because this weekend I'm in Denmark. Chris is in Denmark. We're looking forward to the anniversary event. I believe there's about 500 people going there. Can't wait. It's going to be brilliant and cold. So I know that Tobias is going to lend me some nice coats and scarves and woolly hats and gloves. That's good of him. And I'm going to see all you lovely people in Denmark at the weekend. I think we may have a question there, though. Is that right? Do we have a question there now?
Let's have a look.
Or
no, Franco is saying thanks a lot. And Ramanik is saying so very good.
Thank you very much there, guys. Thank you.
Anita is saying absolutely fantastic, Terry.
Nida, you are wonderful. Thank you so much indeed. I've got Liz with her hand up. I'm going to allow Liz to talk. One moment, please. Liz, you should find your microphone's been unmuted. Unless you muted it on your side, please ask away.
No, it's fine. No, thank you very much, Terry. That was a brilliant presentation again. I just wanted to say, when you mentioned Denmark, that unfortunately I can't go to Denmark, but what I'd like you to do is to take my best wishes, and I'm sure the best wishes of lots of us that won't be able to be there for the first anniversary, and hope everybody has a fantastic time.
That's very kind of you, Liz. Thank you so much indeed, and I will pass your message on to everybody out there. Thank you.
Hi, Terry, Mel.
Hi, Brian.
Brian, good evening to you, mate. How are you keeping? How's Ireland tonight?
Well, very good. We had a few people that we saw today, and Roy and Chris are up and doing a meeting in Oma tonight. I'll be connecting again with them tomorrow. So, yeah, once again, great job. And I think we're all on the same flight on Friday out of Stansted, so looking good.
Oh, you're there as well, Brian. No, bring your flask, mate. Bring your hip flask. You'll need it for Roy.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Great stuff, mate. Great stuff.
Well, do you see the Facebook link tonight? Could I send that to someone on email to watch the webinar? Yes.
They have to. I believe they have to be in the group, in the Facebook group. If they join the group, they can watch the link. So as long as they join the group, they can join it, watch it, and then they can leave the group afterwards if they don't like it.
Ah, right. Okay. No, I have a friend over in Spain that I was talking to about the Eurocredit Plus, and I said I would send him the recording because he's interested in watching it.
Okay. I don't. Mel, you've looked into this as well. We can't actually take the recording away from the Facebook group, can we?
No, we can't. I've tried, and it's just a nightmare, to be honest, to try and and get it over.
That's okay. I shall tell him to join the group then. Is that it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I can send you the link, Brian, of the group, so he's not having to actually search for the group. He'll be able to just click the link that you've sent him, and then he'll be requested to join.
Brilliant. Okay, I'd appreciate that, Mel. Lovely.
Yeah, I'll get that straight over to you, Brian.
Great job. Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you, Brian. I'm going to ask Ronnie. Ronnie's got his hand up. Ronnie, you got a question for us, mate? I've just unmuted your microphone. Please ask away. You can unmute your microphone on your side, Ronnie, if you're still there and you still have a question for us, please. Ronnie, can you hear me?
Can you unmute his mic, Terry?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now, Ronnie, yes.
Just to say, Terry, once again, as always, an excellent presentation. So simple. You make it sound so much easier listening to you, and a brilliant presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ronnie. And I you know what? It means a lot to me to hear it from you because I know you're a professional. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Cheers. God bless.
And you too, mate. You have a
cheers.
Good
Bye.
God bless, Ronnie. Oh, bless.
Okay, so is there any more questions in the chat box, please, Mel, before we call it a wrap?
No. Anybody else got any questions? Raise your hand quickly now before we close for the evening. And just to finish off, just to let you guys know, as a good hypnotist will always finish and say, you're back in the room. Enjoy the rest of your week. And if you're in Denmark the weekend, I look forward to seeing you there, shaking your hand and saying hello. Guys, it's been amazing. Look forward to seeing you all again soon. Take care. Have a great week. Safe journey to you all traveling to Denmark, and have an absolute fantastic time. Very jealous that I'm not there, but never mind.